Today we're taking a closer look at a component that's essential for diesel engine performance but often overlooked, the 24 volts fuel injection pump, compatible with part numbers 3,965,403, 836,864,610, 047006008, 047006003, 047006010, and 047006006. This pump is specifically designed for Cummins ISB 5.9, QSB 5.9, ISB, and QSB 5.9 liters engines. While it doesn't get the same spotlight as other engine parts, it plays a crucial role in keeping engines running efficiently and reliably. A fuel injection pump essentially governs how fuel is delivered into the engine's combustion chambers. It ensures the right amount of fuel is injected at precisely the right moment, which affects engine power, efficiency, and emissions. Without a properly functioning pump, diesel engines experience poor performance, rough idling, hard starting, increased fuel consumption, and in some cases, engine damage. This is where a high-quality replacement like this comes into play. Cummins ISB and QSB 5.9 liters engines are widely regarded for their durability and efficiency, but like any mechanical system, components can wear out over time. A worn-out fuel injection pump is one of the most common causes of diesel engine issues. This particular 24 volts pump provides a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, guaranteeing compatibility and proper function without the need for guesswork. What makes this pump stand out is its ability to maintain consistent fuel pressure. Diesel engines rely on precise fuel delivery, and any variation can impact engine performance. This pump is engineered to operate reliably under heavy loads and varying conditions. Whether the engine is idling, accelerating, or under sustained load, fuel delivery remains stable. This consistency prevents loss of power, improves fuel economy, and ensures smoother engine operation. Durability is another key aspect. Cummins engines are often used in demanding environments, including construction sites, agricultural fields, and industrial applications. This pump is built to withstand harsh conditions, from high temperatures to dust and vibration. It's made from high-quality materials that resist wear and corrosion, which contributes to long service life and reduces the risk of unexpected downtime. Investing in a quality fuel injection pump is essentially investing in long-term reliability for diesel equipment. Installation of this pump is designed to be straightforward. It's a direct fit replacement for the corresponding part numbers, which simplifies the process for experienced mechanics. Proper calibration during installation is essential to ensure optimal performance. Even minor deviations can affect engine timing, efficiency, and overall operation. With professional installation, this pump restores your engine's performance to original specifications. After installation, several benefits become immediately noticeable. Cold starts become smoother, rough idling is eliminated, and acceleration becomes more responsive. Fuel efficiency improves as the engine receives the correct amount of fuel at the right moment. In addition, the engine runs cleaner, with reduced smoke and emissions. This is particularly important for meeting environmental standards and maintaining compliance with diesel regulations. One of the reasons this pump is highly recommended is that it doesn't just fix problems, it restores the engine to its intended performance level. Users often report a noticeable improvement in engine responsiveness, smoother operation, and reduced fuel consumption after replacing a failing or worn-out pump. For operators and fleet owners, this translates into lower maintenance costs, reduced downtime, and more reliable equipment operation. Common signs that indicate a fuel injection pump needs replacement include hard starting, power loss, uneven idling, excessive smoke from the exhaust, and increased fuel consumption. Addressing these issues with a quality replacement pump can prevent more serious engine damage and extend the overall lifespan of the engine. This pump is compatible with a wide range of applications, from trucks and heavy machinery to agricultural equipment and industrial vehicles. Its versatility, combined with OEM-level compatibility, makes it a reliable choice for anyone working with Cummins 5.0.